Good evening, folks. How is everyone? As always, I hope you are doing well. You are my people. You know I love you. I always want you to be the big three, my friends. I want you healthy, I want you happy, and I want you safe. Tonight, we are going to take a look at, from Brewdog Brewing, this is their Wingman. I know I got eyeballs around here somewhere. Well, maybe I don't have them here and they're not around my neck, so I don't know where the hell I put them. So, bear with my friends. Brewdog Wingman 9.5 is the ABV. This is their Tropical Storm Imperial IPA, brewed for the bold. That works. IPA with natural flavors, and then there's Columbus, USA, so I'm going to assume this is an Ohio product. Looks interesting. The artwork is okay. So, you know what we're going to do. We're going to crack. We're going to pour. We're going to get a temp. We're going to get an SRM. In the meantime, we're going to play some music to piss off ScrewTube. This is a band called X, and the name of the song is Burning House of Love, off of, well, I don't know, it just says album version. So, What Am I, a Stranger? I'm gonna guess What Am I, a Stranger is the name of the album. Good song though. So, let's kick off the tunes. If you don't want to be here, jump ahead 2 minutes, and then we'll get down to business. Friday, fuckers. We did chill the glass down. I know. Dude, why are you bringing an IPA glass down that cold? Because it's 106 today, and it's a little warm in Phoenix. Now I go. I'm inside summer-brew, spread on the floor. I'm glad the camera's facing my way. You can watch people take a shit in the yard. Really, really nice head. I can tell you that right off the bat. Really, really tight. I got 41.5. Tasty.
I can still remember a couple of years ago when the smoke and flame from my name was a burning house of love. Yeah, burning house of love.
Burning house of love. Anyway, that's 2 minutes. So, that head is really, really pretty. It looks like she might lace well for us. That's a nice, deep, rich gold up into orange in the bowl. It's a pretty, pretty beer. Well, you know what that means. It's Biden time, folks. Let's get that sniffer up on in there and see what she has to say. Salud. Flies. Well, I am not the world's biggest IPA fan. I do really tend to like the juicies more than the pinies. This is very juicy, and right off the bat, that nose screams pineapple with an underlie of citrus towards orange, maybe tangerine. Oh, she smells so good. Orange and pineapple and tangerine, which is not something I would have ever thought of mashing together, but it looks really, really interesting. So, from our friends at Untapped, we have Wingman Tropical Storm Brewdog USA. 9.5 is the ABV. Okay. Anything this pretty that hits this hard might be a little something to worry about. There are no IBUs listed, and it got a 3.96 on their general consensus, but just remember, you are you. Things are specific to you. Do what you like to do. Drink what you like to drink. Just throwing it out there. Let's slip of the tongue, my friends. Salud. She's cold, I'll give her that. When she comes in, she about medium fast, hits the tongue, crests up into the soft palate, moves out into the buccals just a little bit. Intradental zone is fine. Extradental, not really there. And where I said she was pineapple forward with a tangerine back, I'm not getting it at this temperature. At this temperature, she seems to be more of a melange, a mix-up. When she hits the back of the throat, then you're getting a little bit more citrus forward, and I know both are citrus fruits, but more of an orange citrus like a mandarin, and a little pineapple on the back end. I have no idea what the IBUs on here are. They're up there. I mean, they're probably 45 or 50, but they're really, really well masked by the citrus. So it's a pretty damn tasty beer, but we're drinking her way too cold for an IPA. So, you know what we're gonna do? We're going to pause. We're going to let it warm up, which will not take long in 106 degree worth of Phoenix weather. We'll be back in just a blink of an eye. Until then, my friends, hang tough, big free. I'll be right back. Love you fuckers. I like this beer. Burn your love house down. Burning house of love. I actually really like that song, but then again, I really like this band too. So we are much warmer. We have bumped up to in the 52-53 zone. It is an IPA. People like to drink them warmer. Nothing has changed. That SRM is still a beautiful yellow up into an orange gold for a so let's say 7 times. Let's give her a 16. Let's slip it a tongue. She's not really changed much whatsoever. She comes in, now she's more tongue than soft palate. Just a bit out into the buccals. She has gotten more bitter. So yeah, I think we were right when I said she was up around the... You said 40 to 50. She's about a 40, maybe a 45. in the IBUs. Flavor profile has surprisingly flattened out and gone down, so I'm not getting as much pineapple, I'm not getting as much citrus as I was. I do realize they're both fruits. I do realize they're both citrus. You know what most people don't know though? Pineapple is an aggregate berry like raspberries and blackberries and, you know, the berries. So, actually kind of sad. Should have probably drank her a bit cooler. She's probably going to be better in that 46, 48 zone. And she was fine at, what, 41, 42 before? It's a good beer on the overall. She is a bit heavy at the 9.5, but surprisingly, not a really heavy alcohol tang on the back end, which is, again, kind of surprising. A lot of times you'll drink these high ABV beers, and by the time you get to the back end, you're like, whew, it's like taking a shot. Jesus, don't put a match in front of me. Yeah, no, I'm really not getting that from this, even at this temperature. So, is she good for the style? She's really, really good for the style. Runner is really going to like this beer, by the way. He does tend to really like those sweeter, fruitier runs. You can find this, brother. You're going to like this. Good for the style. Yes. Interesting. Yes. Dog is freaking crazy. So, would I buy this beer again? Sure. Would I drink this beer again? Out of doubt. Would I like to try this on tap? Well, yes, I am the original tap whore. If you handed this to me out of the cooler, what would I say? I would say thank you very much. This is a good, solid choice. $4.75. This is a $4.75. She's not super outstanding, and if she had come in and there was a little progression between the pineapple into the tangerine, and again, there might be when you're in the 46, 48 range, which is what you should drink this at. Yeah, she might actually just nail it at 5, but we went from way too cold to way too warm, so I apologize. 4.75. She's 4.75. I like this. So, thanks for coming by. Put some eyeballs on you. You are my people, and you know I love you. I always want you to be the big three, my friends. I want you healthy, happy, safe, honorable, dutiful, vigilant. I'm like the douchebag that doesn't know what a muffler is. And, of course, head on a swivel. Gray man. Hot and handy. And remember, if you're going to be hot and handy, that comes with a whole laundry list of more responsibilities, but the closer we get to the singularity, the more this might become important. Just throwing it out there. Ooh. Yeah. No. She is well above what we were drinking her at now because she sat on the table for 2 minutes. And no. So yeah, you want to drink her 44 to 48. Blah, 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 blah. Approved bullshit. But she is a good beer. So there is that. Alright, fuckers. I will catch you on the next one. But until then, my friends, Skull.